Okay, so you need to find the solution for the system for the linear equation x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 20 under the condition x1 between uh, 2 and 5, y x2 is between 4 and 7, and x3 is between -2 and 9. Okay, for that let us start finding the uh, number of integer solutions under the condition x1 greater than equal to 2, but on the condition, but the actual condition is x1 is between 2 and 5, but we have taken x1 greater than equal to 2 and x2 greater than equal to 4. The original condition is between 4 and 7, and x3 greater than equal to -2. The original condition is between -2 and 9. Okay, so we have applied the previous one, the previous procedure, and the number of integer solutions for this equation under the condition. The equation is x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 20, and the condition is x1 greater than equal to 2, x2 greater than equal to 4, and x3 greater than equal to -2. With the help of y's, the solution is 16 plus 3 minus 1 c3 minus 1. It is 18 c2. Okay, so we have included y here and we have simplified. We got the equation as y1 plus y2 plus y3 is 16, where each of ya is greater than equal to 0. The number of integer solutions are n value is 16 and number of y are 3. So it will be 16 plus 3 minus 1 c3 minus 1. So it is 18 c2. Okay, so till now we have calculated number of integer solutions for x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 20 under the condition x1 greater than equal to 2, x2 greater than equal to 4, and x3 greater than equal to -2. Okay, so here we will apply a logic. Suppose you have taken a number line. Suppose you have taken a number line, and there are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So you have taken a number line where on the number line there are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, suppose instead of 1 it starts with 2. Okay, there is a number line on which the numbers are present 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So get uh, you want to get the interval 2 to 5. Okay, and you want to get the interval 2 to 5. So for that if you do if you subtract that number line from from number of from the number line 5 to infinity, then you will get the interval 2 to 5. Okay, so there is a number line where the numbers are 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Now you need the interval 2 to 5. You need the numbers between 2 to 5. So for that you need to subtract that number line from the number line having 5, 6, and so on. Okay, so the point is, if you want the interval, the values between 2 and 5, that is same as um, the values greater than equal to 2 minus the values greater than equal to 5. Okay, so let us see the point again. If we want the values between the interval 2 and 5, that is same as the values greater than equal to 2 minus the values greater than equal to 5, then you will get the values between 2 and 5. So this logic is applied to solve this problem. Okay, so previously initially we have find number of integral solutions for the equation under the condition x1 greater than equal to 2, x2 greater than equal to 4, x3 greater than equal to -2. But we need the integer solution under the condition x1 between 2 to 5, x2 between 4 and 7, x3 between -2 and 9. So for that we will do that as I said before, the same logic. So this answer is equals to number of solutions satisfying the condition x1 more than 2, x2 more than 4, x3 more than -2 minus number of solutions with the condition x1 minus number of solutions with the condition x1 more than 5 minus number of solutions with the condition x2 more than 8, okay, more than 7, and minus number of solutions with the condition x3 more than 9. Okay, so the required formula or required answer is number of solutions with the conditions x1 between 2 and 5, x2 between 4 and 7, x3 between -2 and 9, that is same as number of solutions with the condition x1 greater than equal to 2, comma x2 greater than equal to 4, comma x3 greater than equal to -2 minus. So once again see the formula. So number of solutions required number of solutions is equals to uh, the satisfying the condition. So this is equals to number of solutions with x1 greater than equal to 2, comma x2 greater than equal to 4, comma x3 greater than equal to -2 minus number of solutions with the condition x1 greater than equal to 6 minus number of solutions with the condition x2 greater than equal to 8 minus number of solutions with the condition x3 greater than equal to 10. Now let us take a1 as number of solutions with the condition x1 greater than equal to 6 and x2 greater than equal to 4, x3 greater than equal to -2. Okay, so let us find number of integer solutions for this possibility. So a1 represents set of all solutions x1, x2, x3 under the condition x1 greater than equal to 6, x2 greater than equal to 4, x3 greater than equal to -2. So as we have simplified earlier, so the answer will be 20 minus 6. 6 is right hand side of x1, minus 4. 4 is right hand side of x2, minus of -2, that is plus 2. Minus 2 is right hand side of x3, plus 3. 3 is number of y's. Y's will be 3 minus 1. C3 minus 1. So number of integer solutions satisfying a1 will be C 20 minus 6 minus 4 plus 2 plus 3 minus 1, C3 minus 1. 3 will be number of y's and 20 will be RHS of x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 20. 6 is RHS of x1, x2, 4 is RHS of x2 and -2 is RHS of x3. It will be 14C2. So now take A2. A2 will be set of all solutions satisfying the condition x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 20 with x1 greater than equal to 2 and x2 greater than equal to 8 and x3 greater than equal to -2. Okay, so A2 is set of all solutions x1, x2, x3 with the condition x1 greater than equal to 2, x2 greater than equal to 8, x3 greater than equal to -2. So the number of solutions will be 20 minus 2 minus 8 minus of -2 plus 3 minus 1, C3 minus 1. Okay, so 20 is right hand side of x1 plus x2 plus x3, 2 is right hand side of x1, 8 is right hand side of x2 and -2 is right hand side of x3. Okay, and the number of y's will be 3. So it will be 14C2. Now let us consider A3 set of all solutions satisfying the condition x1 greater than equal to 2, x2 greater than equal to 4, x3 greater than equal to 10. So it will be 20 minus 2 minus 4 minus 10 plus 3 minus 1, C3 minus 1. So it will be 6C2. So 20 is right hand side of x1, x2, x3, x1 plus x2 plus x3, minus 2. 2 is right hand side of x1, 4 right hand side of x2, 10 right hand side of x3 and 3 is number of y's. Okay, then now we want number of solutions that satisfying the condition both a1 and a2. So let us see the sets a1 and a2. The common let us identify the common values for x1, x2, x3. In a1, x1 is greater than equal to 6 and in a2 x starting from 2. Okay, so in a1 x values are starting from 6, in a2 x1 values are starting from 2. So common value will be x1 values starting from 6 and in a1 x2 is starting from 4, in a2 x2 is starting from 8. So the common value will be x2 starting from 8. In a1 x3 is starting from -2 and in a2 x3 is starting from -2. So common will be -2. Okay, so for a1 and a2 the common x1 is starting from 6, common x2 is starting from 8 and common x3 is starting from -2. So under these conditions number of solutions for a1 intersection a2 will be See, 20 minus 6 minus 8 plus 2 3 minus 1. 20 is right hand side, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 20. 6 is common value for x1, that is 6. 8 is a common value for x2 in a1 and a2, and 3 is a common value for 2 is minus 2 is common value for x3, and 3 is the number of y's. Okay, it will be 10c2. Now let us find the number of solutions with respect to a2 intersection a3, and number of solutions with respect to a3 intersection a1. Okay, so let us identify what are the common values for a1 and a3. Okay, so in a1 x1 starting from x6, and in a3 x1 starting from 2. So in a1 and a3 intersection, the common value for x1 is 6, and in a1 and a3 the common value for x2 is 4. In a1 and a3 the common value for x3 is 10. Okay, so in a1 intersection a3, common value for x1 is 6, common value for x2 is 4, and common value for x3 is 10. Similarly, in a2 and a3, the common value for x1 is 2, the common value for x2 is 8, and the common value for x3 is 10. So it is for a2 and a3 it is 2, 8, 10. So let us find number of solutions with respect to a2 intersection a3 and a1 intersection a3. So number of solutions with respect to a2 intersection a3 will be 20 minus 2 minus 8 minus 10 plus 3 minus 1 c3 minus 1, where 20 is right hand side of x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 20. 2 will be common value for x1 and for x1 in both a2 and a3, and 8 will be common value for x2 in a2 and a3, and 10 will be common value for x3 in a2 and a3, and 3 will be number of y. Okay, it will be 2c2. And similarly in a1 intersection a3, the number of possible solutions in a1 intersection a3, number of possible solutions are 20 minus 6 minus 4 minus 10 plus 3 minus 1 c3 minus 1, where 20 is right hand side and 6 is common value for x1 in a1 and a3, 4 is common value for x2 in a1 and a3, and 10 is common value for x3 in a1 and a3, and 3 is number of y's, and it is also 2c2. Now let us start finding number of solutions common to a1, a2, a3. It will be 20 minus 6 minus 8 minus 10 plus 3 minus 1 c 3 minus 1, where 20 is right hand side and 6 is x1 common to a1, a2, a3, and 8 is x2 common to a1, a2, a3, and 10 is x3 common to a1, a2, a3, and 3 is number of y's. So we got it as minus 2c2. There is no meaning for this, so let us take it as 0. Now number of possible solutions, n of a1 union a2 union a3, it is n of a1 plus n of a2 plus n of a3 minus n of a1 intersection a2 minus n of a2 a1 intersection a3 minus n of a2 intersection a3 plus n of a1 intersection a2 intersection a3. So substituting the values, it will be 14c2 plus 14c2 plus 6c2 minus 10c2 minus 2c2 minus 2c2 minus the last value is 0. So this will be with at least one of the possibility, either at least one of the possibility for a1 or a2 or a3. Okay, now the final answer, number of integer solutions between 2 and 5 for x1, and between 4 and 7 for x2, and between minus 2 and 9 for x3 will be number of solutions with the condition x starting from 2 and x2 starting from 4, and x3 starting from minus 2, minus number of solutions with the conditions x1 more than 6, minus the number of solutions with the condition x2 more than 8, minus number of solutions with the condition x3 more than 10. Okay, so this will be 18c2 minus the previous answer, that is 14c2 minus 14c2 minus 6c2 plus 10c2 plus 2c2 plus 2c2. Let us take the practice problems. So you need to find the number of integer solutions for x plus y plus z equals z plus w equals to 21 with x greater than 2, y greater than 0, z greater than 0, w greater than 0. And the second question is number of integer solutions for x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 equals to 30, where x1 greater than equal to 2, x2 greater than equal to 3, x3 greater than equal to 4, x4 greater than equal to 4, and x5 greater than equal to 0. And the next one, third question, number of integer solutions for x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 equals to 20 with x1 between 1 and 6, x2 between 1 and 7, x3 will between 1 and 8, and x4 will be 1 and 9. Okay, for the last question, the formula will be number of solutions with the condition x1 more than x1 greater than equal to 1, comma x2 greater than equal to 1, comma x3 greater than equal to 1, comma x4 greater than equal to 1, minus at least one of the following. The following is x1 greater than 7, or x2 greater than 8, or x3 greater than 9, or x4 greater than 10. Okay, so that will be enough a1 union a2 union a3 union a4. Okay, so for the last question, the answer will be number of solutions with the condition x1 between 1 and 6, x2 between 1 and 7, x3 between 1 and 8, x4 between 1 and 9 is equal to number of solutions with the condition x1 greater than equal to 1, comma x2 greater than equal to 1, comma x3 greater than equal to 1, comma x4 greater than equal to 1, minus one of the following. The following is x1 more than 7, x2 more than 8, or x3 more than 9, or x4 more than 10. Okay, for the next term, you need to use the formula n of a1 union a2 union a3 union a4, where a1 is a set of all solutions satisfying the condition x1 more than 7, and a2 will be number of solutions satisfying the condition x2 more than 8, and a3 will be number of solutions satisfying the condition x3 more than 9, and a4 will be number of solutions satisfying the condition x4 more than 10. You can try. Thank you.